Hello everyone, welcome to Ansari Brother Technology channel. In this video, we are demonstrating how to make best use of AI tools which are easily available. We are moving ahead in our AI tool series. Here we are demonstrating Bing AI chatbot capabilities in Microsoft Edge. So let us begin. So you can see there is a Bing chat in the extreme right side corner of the browser where it comes up with the three tabs: chat tab, compose tab, insight tabs. So we'll be looking what each tabs do. So in chat tab, we can ask a Bing chat some question and it will going to reply us with the help of AI based capabilities. We are writing here some prompt and it will give us the reply. So we can see the response has been generated. Here it also gives us the reference from where the responses has been taken into the consideration while giving it to us. We'll put another prompt. Let's see what Bing Chat replies to this. So you can see the response has been generated. We can see the references from where Bing Chat has generated this response for us. So now we'll move ahead with the Compose tab. So here we are with the Compose tab. This helps us to generate the email text which will help us to send it to other people's. Like we are requesting an email over here. So I want an email requesting my manager to increase my salary and whatever things I did that I have mentioned over here, and then we can go ahead. So we can select the tone. Here I am selecting professional and I want an email. So you can also have it for like paragraph, ideas, blog post. You can generate directly as per your intended use. I want to have a median length for now. I will click on generate draft. As you can see, the email has been drafted over here with all the necessary details, but I think it is quite lengthy. So I'm going to click on short and again I'm going to generate the draft. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it over here. I'll mention my name and the subject line have to be here. And then I'm going to send it. Now we will look at the inside tabs of the Bing chat where you can see all the web page insights are going to be shown over here in the form of questionnaires, FAQs. So we'll have a look at it. So as we can see, there is an article over here like interest rate to remain high, vigilant on inflation, RBI governor. So we can have insights of this in the insight tabs. So you can see the article summary. The person name has been printed with his profile. So like the page is saying key phrases. It is related to economy of India. Topics in on this pages. We are having reference to Reserve Bank of India, key points, and then we have more info. So we also have the rating for this particular page. So this is how you use the Insight tab of the Bing Chat. There is one more feature of Bing Chat that I would like to tell you all. That is the page context. So Bing also read the page context. For example, if we select this much, see send the selected or copy text to chat. So you can send it, and then you can see Bing Chat is asking us to what to do about this text. So you can explain, revise, summarize, expand. I'm going to expand this. So let's see what response it's going to generate. Again, it's shown the references from where Bing Chat has expanded this article. So I hope you liked the demonstration what we have shown over here. Thank you for watching with us. Do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.